Okay, Tawfiq.
Hey everyone, I'm here with another football fan who's my brother.
Hey everybody.
He's a Baltimore Ravens fan.
How are they doing this year, Mustapha?
They're a little shaky, but they just came off a great game. They gave it to the Dolphins and won 40-0. So I was a happy fan.
Hey, oh, that's the crusher that you were telling me about. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay, Tawfiq, you want to talk a little Patriots for us?
I think that what we did to the Atlanta Falcons was dirty. We dominated those dirty birds.
Oh.
And it wasn't the fog that had to do anything with that, because we were doing better without the fog. And as for those Chargers, I think their batteries are about to lose their charge, and we're gonna dominate them. Patriots always lock up their number one threat, which is Joey Bosa. I think that he won't have any plays on us. Well,
okay, Mustapha, Chargers, Patriots. What?
I'm gonna go with the Patriots on this one. I think Philip Rivers is a good quarterback. However, some games he shows up, some games I don't know what's going on. I think that Patriots, I think their game plan is gonna come in with is gonna, make him have one of those bad games that he usually does. I think it's gonna be the Patriots, probably like 28-14.
Wow. Okay. How do you feel about that one, Tawfiq?
I think it'll be a close one. You never underestimate your opponent.
Okay. So what kind of scores do you think you're looking at?
21-28.
Okay.
Patriots.
All right. That's
closer.
Just a smidge
I can see it going either way. I do. But Philip Rivers, he'll have a great game one week, and then the next week you don't know who that is. You don't know what's going on in his head.
What are your thoughts on the Patriots this year? They've been kind of...
They got off to a rough start, but when you take into consideration all the factors, Tom Brady's 40 years old. He's still competing with, these rookies
kids,
and some of these good quarterbacks. The Patriots, they're kind of rebuilding, but they're looking good while they're doing it.
Okay.
With all the people they let go of, with Garrett Blunt, that was a shocker. But I think they'll be all right, though. I really do.
Okay, you hear that? What do you say, Tawfiq?
I agree.
But any words for the Ravens this year?
I think you guys are gonna be a problem. January Joe, I've had some rough memories of him growing up in the Foxborough.
Oh, okay, he used to be a Patriot?
No.
He used to beat the Patriots.
In January, they say he turns into a different person, and he just builds it. So they call him January Joe, because that's
his pattern. He just builds up.
Yeah, and he's knocked off the Patriots before, especially they went to the Super Bowl.
Wow.
And he's knocked them off before that at their house as well.
Oh. So January Joe.
That's why that rivalry kind of developed.
Oh, I see. Okay.
But even after they beat us in our house, I still rooted for them all the way during that Super Bowl.
Very generous of you.
No. But I did root for them because of you, Mustapha.
Because of me? I appreciate that. I do. It's been a lot of tough nights watching them at times.
The hearts stay loyal.
I love my team. I really love my team.
Oh, okay. Well, good.
Always a fan.
Okay, is that it, boys?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, good night.